In the previous video, I asked you to press pause here and write all these down. These two being easy to remember, you might not even have to. This one here is really useful and you must remember. This one here is easy to remember because when you have a minus something, it immediately jumps to this. Okay, and this one, when you have a fraction to the power of a fraction, then think of think of roots. Okay, so let me give you some example here. So this one here, it's hard to understand what's going on here. 8 to the power of 2 over 3 to a power of a fraction. It's hard to understand what's going on. So let's use this one here, this technique here. Okay, so remember when you power something and then you power it again, it's this times this. So let's use that to do this. So break this up as this: 8 to the power of 3, to the power of 3, and then power it to the then square it. So if I were to ask you this here, then you would just get this times hang on. Sorry, then you would get this times this. That would take you back to here. But rewrite it as this whole thing here. Now this bit here is to the power of a fraction. So as soon as you get to the power of a fraction, then think of roots. So this one here would be the cube root of 8. Okay, and then don't forget we still got the squared here. Okay, so now try and solve what's in here first. Try and solve what's in there. So so that would be well, the cube root of 8. Well, cube root of 8 is cube root of something. It means you've got to think of a number. When you times by itself 3 times, it gives you 8. So well, the answer would be 2 because 2 times 2 times 2 would be 8. So the cube root of 8 is actually 2. Okay, and don't forget we've still got the squared there. So now it's just 2 squared. So so that becomes 4. So this here, even though it looks complicated, it's actually the number 4. Okay, let me give some more examples. Okay, this one here should be a walk in the park really. As soon as you see a minus, then jump to the power of minus, then jump to 1 over 3 to the power of 5. Okay, and then maybe try to evaluate this. So it would be this one. What this means is 3 times by itself 5 times. Okay, so so let's merge these two. So hang on, that would be 9. Let's merge these two. That would be 9. Well, let's take this down. So that would be times 3. So that equals 1 over, let's merge these two together, 81 times 3. Okay, and jump to 81 times 3 here. This 3 times 1 is 3. This times this 24. So so the overall answer would be 1 over 2, 4, 3. Okay. In the next video, I will give you some practice.